This mathcast is intended for grade 3. The learning objective is find the area of a rectangle through multiplication of the side lengths. Created by Pam Gleisner. Some vocabulary that we'll need to know during this mathcast is multiply, to find the product of two or more numbers. Divide, to break or to split into equal parts, to determine how many groups of one number can make up another number. Area, the space occupied by a two-dimensional shape. Area is measured in square units. A square, a quadrilateral with 4 congruent sides and 4 congruent angles. Rectangle, a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides and 4 right angles. A square centimeter, a 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter square. This is an area model. The area equation is length times width. So right here, we would do our length times our width, which would give us our 18. So 6 times 3 equals 18. The area model definition is a model in which two numbers being multiplied are represented by the dimensions of a rectangle and their product is represented by the area of the rectangle. Write a multiplication equation to find the area of each rectangle. On the previous slide, we talked about how area equals length times width. So we're going to need to use 7 and 4. 7 times 4 equals 28, making the area of this rectangle 28 square feet. For the next one, we'll be using the sides of 7 and 8. So 7 times 8 equals 56, making the area of this rectangle 56 square feet. The last one is a square, so we'll be using 6 and 6. 6 times 6 equals 36, making the area of this square 36 square feet. Write a multiplication equation and a division equation to find the unknown side length for each rectangle. Now we know that area equals length times width. So if we already have the area, then we will have to divide to find the other length or width. For the first example, we know that the area is 72 square feet. So we will start with the division problem. It'll be 72 divided by 9 equals 8. So now we know that the missing side is 8 feet, making it easy to go back and make our multiplication question of 8 times 9 equals 72. For the next example, we know that the area is 15 square feet. So we'll start with the division question again. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So now we know our missing side, 5 feet. 3 times 5 equals 15. And for the last equation, we know that we have the area, which is 28 square feet, divided by 4 equals 7. Now we have our side, 7 times 4 equals 28. Our last example states, on the grid below, draw a rectangle that has an area of 32 square centimeters. Label the side lengths. As we can see here, each of these squares is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So this shape is going to have an area of 32 centimeters altogether. First, we should start with what equals 32. What two numbers together can equal 32? The first one in my mind comes up to 4 and 8. So 4 times 8 equals 32. So in order to make a rectangle that has 32 square centimeters, we're going to have to draw two sides that are equal to 4 and two sides that are equal to 8. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. down 4 again, and then over 8 again. This will equal 32 square centimeters. And we have to label our sides, so we'll have 4 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Thanks for watching.